Hi guys, I was gifted this drywall skimming set from the seller so I can show you all the cool features that it has. So let's open it up and take a look inside. Okay, it comes in an awesome carrying case here, so this would be fantastic to keep you organized. Let's open up the case and take a look inside. All right. We got the pole. There's multiple different blades here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all different sizes here. And 5. This is the biggest one. It also comes with replacement blades. So you're always ready. You know, if you have an issue with one, you got replacement blades right there in your kit. This kit gives you 5 blades plus replacements. Great for smoothing drywall, plaster, filler. All right, let's check out what this wall looks like before we put on the skim coat. Looks like you can tell it definitely needs a skim coat put on it. So we're putting on the skim coat now, and we're about ready to use the skimming tool to make it nice and flat. So here we are using the largest blade of the set. This is the 32-inch blade that we're using. And we just go ahead and pull it down the wall and then clean the blade when we're done. If you guys got any project like this where you need to do some drywall work, this tool is definitely going to be awesome for you. So if you need one of these, go ahead and purchase it. It worked out really well for us, as you can see. And thanks for watching our video.